In today's video, we're going to be talking about 10 spiritual ways that you can use valerian root. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new, make sure that you subscribe before you leave, that way you'll never miss out on another video. I'm getting back into my herb series that I used to do a long time ago on my channel. If you guys are like longtime subscribers of mine, you know that that's how my channel started. It's all about herbs and natural ways to enhance your beauty and skin and hair, and now I'm kind of diving into the more spiritual uses of herbs. So today we're going to be talking all about valerian root. Valerian root has been used medicinally for so many years. It's used to calm anxiety. It's used to help with people who suffer from insomnia. It's used to calm your muscles. It's also used as a mild sedative. It's also used for mild pain relief. Valerian root is a feminine herb. Its ruling planet is Venus. This is very, very special because it's a very loving, peaceful, blissful herb. That's the energy of valerian root. Another way you know that the energy is very calming and soothing and blissful is because it corresponds with the element of water. And water is all about flowing energy, soft energy, tranquil energy. Valerian root also has very, very protective energies. Now, this new moon that we are having on Saturday, this new moon is all about Libra. Alright, so here is what valerian root looks like. It's very I don't know how to explain it. It's like little twigs, and the smell is very, very strong. Also, my valerian root will be charged under this upcoming new moon that we're having in Libra, which is also carrying a lot of the same energies as valerian root. So the valerian root that I work with is heavily charged and activated. If you guys want to purchase mine, go ahead and head over to my store. But you guys can get valerian root, I think maybe in your grocery stores, definitely at spiritual shops, metaphysical stores. But yeah, it's a very, very good herb. If you guys can see what it looks like, it's like little pieces of wood is how I would describe what it feels like. But I find that it brings a lot of really good positive energy into the home or the place that you put it in, whatever room you put it in. So the valerian root that is up in my shop is actually going to be charged under this new moon that we're having on Saturday, September 28th. And the energy of this new moon is so similar to the energies that valerian root brings and carries. So I felt like under the light of this new moon, it will be activated so beautifully. And then when you use it, just the vibration of the valerian root with the vibrations of that new moon in Libra energy that it soaks up is going to be so powerful. All right, let's get to the fun stuff. Let's get to 10 ways you can use valerian root in your daily life actually to bring peace and tranquil energy, resolve conflicts. Number 1, you can actually sprinkle valerian root around your home to invite calm and harmony inside the home amongst the people who live in it. It calms the energy in your home. If you notice in your home the energy is a little bit aggressive or tense, people are getting irritated more, there's a little bit more arguments going on, anything of that sort, or you just want to invite harmonious, blissful energy into your home and everybody that lives in it, go ahead and sprinkle valerian root in your front yard and in your backyard. Number 2, use some valerian root in a little bag or a sachet and put it under your pillow or under your mattress. This helps you sleep, and it also keeps bad dreams away. And if you are in a relationship, it will help to protect the relationship between you and your partner. Any arguments, tension, it will resolve and calm that energy. Number 3, you want to sprinkle it all over the front of your home, the back of your home, and if you can, a little bit within your home, in the corners maybe, or just somewhere inside of your home. What this does is it protects all around your house and inside of the house. It protects against evil eye. It protects against ill will of others. It just protects your home, your energy, and your relationships from evil eye of others. Sometimes people see your success or your life or your relationships and they send the evil eye just by kind of getting jealous or thinking something negative about it, whatever. You want to protect your energy, you want to block that energy off, and valerian root really helps you do it. Number 4, when you're trying to manifest a relationship or you're trying to manifest a more loving relationship or to heal an argument or heal a relationship, use valerian root in your work. So that means if you're preparing a candle to invite love into your life, if you're preparing a candle for you and your loved one, you and your partner, you and your children, you and your coworkers, whoever maybe you're having conflicts with or anything that you want to help resolve and you want to help heal the relationship, or overall you just want to invite loving and blissful energy into the relationship, what you would do is take a candle, preferably a red candle or pink candle, and you write both of your names on it and you drop some valerian root in there and you burn the candle. When I tell you guys about dropping herbs into your candles, make sure that you never leave your candles unattended, because there are herbs in it, and when the candle wax is all the way at the bottom, like almost done, then those herbs sometimes do catch on fire, so you want to watch it. I usually like to put my candle in a bowl and put that bowl in a bigger bowl of water just to be safe. The fifth way you could use valerian root is to sprinkle some in your bath water. Okay, so valerian root, the smell, not everybody is gonna like the smell. It's very heavily scented, and the smell is very, very earthy, like extremely earthy. So don't put a lot, like sprinkle a little bit at a time, see how you are with the smell. But this is really good to calm and relax your energy, first of all. And it's also good for inviting harmonious and blissful energy into the relationship with yourself, you and your spirit, just harmonizing that relationship. Now, if you take a bath with your spouse or boyfriend, girlfriend, add a little bit of valerian root into the bath to just uplift the energy. Not only that, but because it is used for mild pain relief and mild muscle relaxing, it's going to be really beneficial for your body if you have aches and pains or just want to relax after a long day. Valerian root is going to be your best friend. Number 6, if you notice a lot more fighting in your home than usual, tense energy, just irritation building up, frustrations, or just things keep coming up, or it's stressful in your home, any of that kind of energy, drop a little bit of valerian root in the 4 corners of your home. And this is going to just invite so much protection and also ward off all the negative energy that people have sent your way, and just really protect and heal the relationships within the home. The 7th way that you could use valerian root is to make a tea out of it. So you only want to use 1 teaspoon because you don't want to use a lot. It's very, very strong. What valerian root tea does is it's very good for purification and cleansing. It cleanses your energy. It helps to relax your mind. The 8th way you could use valerian root is to burn it as an incense. Now, I know you guys probably see a bunch of smoke right here, but I have like 2 or 3 incense going, so it's really smoky, but I really like that. I like that because it calms my energy, and I feel like this new moon that we're having on September 28th, it's bringing in that energy so much. I can feel myself just calming down a lot, like calming down years of stress even. If you guys want to know more about this new moon that we're having, the whole energy of it's very calming. I have that video already up and I will link it at the end of this video. But you could burn valerian root as an incense, and I actually have a little bit burning right now. It's very calming and soothing. And it turns bad situations into good situations. So that's why when I light valerian root on like a charcoal, that's how I burn it, is I'll light a charcoal and then I will put the valerian root on top, and it just burns so beautifully. It's so beautiful, I can't even explain it. But it cleanses and protects the air around you, cleanses and protects the room that you burn it in. You can cleanse your altars, your journal, your purse, your wallet, yourself. You can even cleanse your crystals with this root. It's very powerful. Number 9, you can use it in candles to block evil eye and protect yourself from any negative energy thrown at you. So how would you do this? I love using black candles to get rid of negative energy. I have a video that I uploaded like a year or 2 ago, but basically that video teaches you how to prepare the black candle for removal of negative energy. All you do basically is you write your name and your birth date on the candle, and then you drop some valerian root in there and you light it. That's it. What this does is it almost sends the negative energy back to the sender, which I love, kind of, because, you know, if somebody's taking the time out of their day to send you negative energy, like, send it back. Now again, with candles, be careful. So if you are putting valerian root in the candle, just don't leave it unattended. And number 10, you can actually use valerian root tea to have more vivid dreams. When you drink valerian root tea before you go to sleep, not only does it help you sleep and calms your energy, but it also gives you very vivid dreams and like prophetic dreams. You get messages in your dreams. You see symbols and signs and synchronicities in your dreams. It's like a connection with the universe through sleep, through your dreams. You also get a lot of lucid dreaming. So it's just going to be overall a different dreaming experience ingredients. I have not tried this yet, but I want to. To keep updated with that, go head over to my Patreon, because if I do end up making the tea, I'm going to have all the information, probably even pictures, and I'll write about everything that happened over there. And those are 10 ways you could use valerian root in so many different aspects of your life, in your home, as tea, for your muscles, your joints. It's a very, very beautiful herb. But any other roots or herbs you guys want to know about, leave me a comment down below so I can start doing these videos. I love doing these videos because it's where my channel started, is herbs and natural stuff. And it was for beauty before, and now it's for our spirit and helping us grow and evolve. And just kind of manipulating energy into our favor using these natural things that the earth has already provided for us. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to purchase my valerian root, I'll leave my store linked down below, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.